In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use projects in QuickBooks Online. Projects in QuickBooks Online help you keep everything related to a job or engagement in one place, your estimates, invoices, dates, and notes, so you can stay organized and see how work is progressing at a glance. Let's walk through creating a project from scratch, so you can start tracking your work cleanly and confidently. Begin by going to the left panel and clicking on Projects. This is your hub for all projects, both current and past. Once you're there, select either Start a Project or New Project. They both open the same setup screen, so choose whichever button you see. Start by giving your project a clear, descriptive name. Pick something you and your team will recognize later, especially if you have multiple jobs for the same customer. Many people use a format like client name plus a short description, so it's easy to search and filter. Next, choose the customer for the project. Linking the project to a specific customer makes sure all the associated transactions, like estimates and invoices, roll up correctly under that client. If the customer already exists in your QuickBooks, select them from the list. If not, you can create the customer first, and then return to this step to attach the project. Add a start date and an end date to define the timeline. These dates help you track when work begins and when you plan to wrap up. If you're not entirely sure about the end date, it's okay. You can always come back and update it as plans firm up. Setting dates now gives you helpful context later when you review your work. Choose a project status that reflects where things stand. This is a quick visual way to indicate whether a project is up and running, pending, or finished. You can change the status at any time as the project moves forward. Finally, add notes you want to remember for this project. This is a great place for key details like goals, deliverables, or important reminders. Keep it concise and informative so anyone viewing the project understands the essentials without digging around. Avoid adding sensitive information here. When you're done, click Save. That's it. You've set up your project. Right now, the project will be mostly empty, and that's completely normal. It will begin to fill in as you record transactions like estimates and invoices. As you add those items, you'll start seeing the project take shape and become more useful for tracking your work. Thanks for watching, and now you're ready to create your first project in QuickBooks Online.